we'll guide you through how to make cushion in Minecraft. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Minecraft on your device. From the main menu, create a new world and enter it to begin play. Once you are inside your world, start by collecting some wood from nearby trees. Gather enough wood to craft a crafting table. Open your inventory, convert the wood into wooden planks, and then craft a crafting table. Place the crafting table on the ground so you can use it for crafting more items. Next, search for sheep in your world and collect wool from them. Continue gathering wool until you have at least 3 pieces. After collecting enough wool, return to your crafting table and interact with it to open the crafting interface. Place 3 wool blocks horizontally across the crafting grid. After arranging the materials, a wool slab will appear in the crafting results slot. Move the wool slab into your inventory. Next, place 3 wool slabs horizontally across the crafting grid to craft a cushion. When the cushion appears in the results slot, move it into your inventory. If you want to customize its color, collect flowers from around your world and convert them into dye using the crafting interface. After creating the dye, open your inventory and combine the cushion with the dye in the crafting grid. The cushion will change to the selected color. Repeat the same process with different dyes if you want to create cushions in multiple colors. Once you have finished crafting and coloring the cushion, place it anywhere in your world to decorate your house or other builds. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully crafted and customized a cushion in Minecraft. You can continue making additional cushions with different colors to match the style of your buildings and furniture.